How to change flashlight and camera on lock screen in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open notification center and then press and hold on screen. Now click on customize and then click on lock screen. Now if you want to change your flashlight and camera on lock screen, then simply click on minus sign and then click on plus. Now here you can add anything you want to add on your lock screen, like dark mode, and here you want to add calculator and then click on done. Now here you can see it will be changed. So this is the way to change flashlight and camera on lock screen in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.